Alright, let's see how we can download Camtasia 2020. Open up Google Chrome, www.techsmith.com. So click on the products. You'll be able to see a list of products that is available for TechSmith. Click on Camtasia free trial. If you have decided to buy, go ahead and click buy. If you want to give a try, click try and download for Windows. It's a 500 MB file based upon your internet bandwidth. It will take time. Let's pause on for some time. Alright, downloaded. Let's run this exe file. You get above, select your language, multiple languages are available. Click I accept the terms, click install. Finish. There you go. So click on the new project. And here, if you want to sign in for a trial for 30 days, or if you have bought the key, you just need to enter the license key here. And that's it for today.